Hi guys, Todd here again from Todd's World Home Show in the RV, back in the RV, and on this last camping site adventure trip, month long of April, we did have a front hubcap fall off on the road somewhere. I didn't see it or feel it or even hear it come off. Just at our first campsite, I looked and noticed, hey, where's my cap? And as you can see, if we walk around the other side, this is what it kind of looks like. I only lost one of them on the passenger front, and you can see here it's rounded with a flat dimple area, kind of like maybe where a logo would stick. But I was at a Flying J fuel stop, and they have a little store in there, and they're pretty well equipped in their store at the Flying J. And somebody mentioned on YouTube or Facebook or something like that, that's where they got their replacement hubcaps pretty quick, you know, because you're going to get fuel down the road somewhere, and there's Flying J's all over the place. So I scheduled one of them stops for fuel and went in, and lo and behold, I did find something that might work. I got a pair of these. They're 8.5 inch round. They're by RoadPro. You can see that label. And they do come with some retainer clips taped inside. The only thing is, I came outside to try it on. They let me take it out of Flying J gas station. I said, can I go try this on, see if it's going to fit? And it looks like it would, except for these tabs around it. Now these tabs, if you look here, these tabs are hitting these spots right here. These are metal. They're not going to give. But like only one or two of the tabs that will hit. And so let me show you also something else. They come, like I told you, with these little retainer clips. And if we take a closer look, you can see how those would work. These would just clip on here and push them down. I don't want to push it down yet because I'm not ready, but how it's got that clip there, it'll push in, but it's going to be difficult to pull back out how that clip is shaped. I'm also going to use some clear silicone sealant and just put a bead around the outside to make sure they don't fall off. Now I got a pair of them, but one of them's for backup. You're not going to be able to compare the two from side to side unless you walk around. I'm not too concerned with that. I just want my round center chrome back, and we'll see how I can make this work. I think I'm going to use tin snips on one or two of these tabs to cut them down a bit so they'll fit in between that cast iron hub, those notches. We'll see how it goes.
I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do
Let's see which ones have to be cut off. Let's see which ones have to be cut off, which ones I can keep. This one. See if these work. believe that will do it, guys, right there. Now I'm going to put my clips on here. Install your retaining clips. They'll clip down on there where those holes are.